In 1932, a kidnapping so shocking happened that it changed American law enforcement forever. Charles Lindbergh Jr., son of the famous pilot, was snatched from his crib in the family mansion. The kidnapper left a ransom note demanding $50,000, written with strange Germanic spelling errors. The case gripped America for over 2 years. The kidnapper used coded newspaper ads and secret cemetery meetings to collect ransom payments. Police had no leads, no suspects, no breakthrough. Then one day, a gas station attendant noticed something odd. A customer paid with a gold certificate. Something about it seemed suspicious, so he wrote down the license plate number. That plate led police straight to Bruno Hauptmann, a German carpenter. His handwriting matched the ransom notes perfectly. Police searched his garage and found more ransom money hidden inside the walls. But the most shocking discovery came later. The baby had been dead for months, killed the night of the kidnapping. This case created the FBI as we know it today and made kidnapping a federal crime. One license plate number changed everything.